Hello, my name is Markiplier.
Alright, what's up guys? So today we are back in Monkey Horror Game. I know it's been a while, but today we're gonna be playing the other levels. Not other levels, but with my friends. That's here, right here, this is disabled VR. That's disabled VR for obvious reasons. I'm kidding, not. I'm kidding. That's just the... He tweaking. That guy, the red is tweaking, bro. He tweaking. Bro's over here freaking in the mirror. Like, bro.
Gonna get me right and dirty.
Yeah. Wait, hold on. Where'd Barney go? Where'd Corgi VR go? Oh, there he is. Bro, what's his nickname again? What's his nickname?
Disable VR.
Yep. So go subscribe. Oh, jeez. Yeah, he stole his beer bottle, so yeah, he's kind of. Hey, I don't have your beer bottle. He does. Okay, guys, calm down. Come on. We're gonna start off with level 1. We're just gonna be messing around. Okay, guys. So, which one do you guys think I should choose? Me personally, I like the beer bottle.
I can't hear you in game chat. Yeah, I can hear you in the call.
Dude. Oh, I was in that. Okay. My fault. Can y'all hear me now?
Okay, we have to redo the intro. Logan, you start writing when I start.
No, it's okay. It's okay. Come on. So, guys, I'm gonna be doing.
Gotta get me right and dirty.
The mic. Okay, guys, what's up? We're on Instagram Live here. I got your toy. Okay, guys, come on. Let's go.
I juked him.
Hold on, let's see if I can get out of the map real quick. My freaking game just... Bro. I can't save you, bro. You got yourself in it. Yo, I'm outside of the map. Holy crap, then my game just like tweaked out, bro. Alright guys, I'm going to horror. I'm in horror mode. Where's these monkeys?
Oh my god, I'm coming.
Where y'all at? Oh, hey. Okay, we're gonna go find our best friend in this entire game. His name?
Mr. Oh my god, Birdie.
His name is Uncle Fred. His name's Uncle Fred. Let's go find Uncle Fred, guys.
Fred? Not... Is it Fred the chicken?
Landon, I think I'm gonna take a dirt nap, Landon.
Gotta catch me right.
Okay, guys, let's go find Uncle Fred. Come on. For you guys who don't know, he's like 19 feet tall.
Oh my god.
I don't know what the heck that was, but he's like 19 feet tall. And
yeah, he's built like Slender Man for a bit.
Yeah, he's literally. Oh, there he is! Guys, look, he's right here.
Oh my god!
What?
Fred!
Why is he running so
Do
fast?
it be Fortin, Fred! Do it be Fortin!
Hey, are you okay?
Fred, do it be Fortin!
Uncle Fred, are you okay?
Uncle Fred!
Are
Hey,
you
I think
okay?
he's on the pill.
Oh no! He does not like me, guys. He does not like me. I'm sorry. I did not mean to take your microphone. Hey guys, look! I found him. I found him.
Bro's like Eminem in 2008 with the wood dude.
Hey there. I got him killed. Hey. Don't do it.
Nipples pill.
Aw, man. Karma hit me. My bad, Karma. Let's go see Uncle Fred again.
Logan, open that door. Logan, open that door. Somebody better be turning on those lights.
I got that.
before and
Brandon, get ready when I tell you to shut the door, okay?
I bet.
do it before and hey,
Shut up.
Hey, yo, Brad, do it before and shut the door. Shut the door. Oh my God.
Is he
I'm
good?
screaming. Oh my God. I'm screaming. My parent
Hey, Logan.
is going to beat the living
Wait, hold on,
crap
guys.
out of me.
If you guys want to go subscribe to
Yeah, I didn't
Logan,
explain that right.
his YouTube is Robot Matney. So he's at like I don't even know how many subs. Other
Like
words, his nickname
1K.
is Disabled VR. So you know, just based off of that. Whatever. Ooh, he's right behind me. Oh man.
Fred. Oh my
Well-
God. His nipples
My
poke out
game
like
lagged.
that, dude.
Oh.
You can tell when he's on the pills when his nipples are poking out.
Fred
Oh my God, I
Slenderman.
see the light. I'm blinded by
Tonight
the
will be the
light.
night that I will fall for you.
Landon, I'm in
Yeah.
Landon VR. Can I take a dirt nap real quick?
Fred,
It's a what?
you owe me
It's
ice
a
cream.
£9 buck.
You owe me mint chocolate chip with extra cookie dough. Get over here. Oh no. He's coming. He's coming. He's coming to give me the ice cream with mint and. You better open that door right now. Hey, I want to say hi. My arm. There we go. I did it.
Do it before. Oh my God. Alright, we gotta go meet Grandpa.
Yeah.
Just for you to know, he beats me with his beer bottles. Like this
Okay.
one, am I disabled man?
Okay.
Can we
now? Close that door right now.
Leave about.
Birdie, get in.
Oh my God, I see him.
Come on, Timmy. Hi. Hold on.
I see him. Really cute. Come on.
Shut it. Alright. What you do? Oh man, you know better.
You got some cheese.
You turned the lights on?
Burger King
Yeah, you did.
butt lettuce. Burger Bean. Oh my God.
Let's go say hi to
Guys.
Burger
Bean foot lettuce.
Let's go say hi to our favorite grandmother.
Foot lettuce.
Bro, we're I was the first culprit.
I'm gonna hold up. I'm gonna start recording too.
Bro, you do not know how bad that thing.
Dude.
Logan, you should start recording so we can all capture our POV.
That thing freaking.
I can't post it on YouTube.
Bro, that,
Yeah, but you don't have to
like-
post. We can just you can send it to Landon, and then Landon can screen share. And I can watch
Okay,
it.
yeah, our POV.
Wait, actually, that's actually a good idea.
Record videos. Look at that.
Bro, y'all do not
Guys, you know who
understand
we need
how
right now?
bad that thing.
Do it be Fortin?
Logan, Landon, you know who Landon VR? Do you know who we need right now?
Jesus.
The Kool-Aid Man.
Let it.
Kool-Aid Man? Oh yeah, let's go see.
Let's get the Kool-Aid.
Hold on, guys. Where is he? I can't see. Oh my game is so laggy, dude.
Oh my God, Kool-Aid foot lettuce. Oh my God, Birdie, he's right behind you. Kool-Aid foot lettuce.
Bean pop, bean bean. Hey guys, look at my best friend. His name's Charlie. Hey there.
Kool-Aid foot lettuce.
Right on. I got the door.
I feel like this game is going to give us like 10,000 vibes.
Here, let's go.
Kirby?
Yeah, what you doing?
Tell him what game we're playing. Tell him what game we're playing.
Already done. I already did. My bad. I mix up words a lot, so I mean, yeah. We're playing Monkey Horror Game, if you guys didn't know.
Yeah, it's
So-
a pretty game. It's a pretty
I swear, if I get jump scared again, I'm literally uninstalling the game forever.
Kirby foot lettuce.
If I get jump scared, I'm uninstalling the game forever.
Kirby.
Where'd Birdie go? Where did Corgi go?
Kirby foot lettuce.
Where'd Corgi go?
Kirby foot lettuce. I hear him breathing.
Yeah, I did too.
Yeah.
Oh, hey there. Wait a minute. Oh.
Wait,
I thought you guys were on top watching me dance.
Nah, bro, we freaking left you.
Let it.
3, 2, 1, and monster!
Guys,
Dang
hold
it.
up, Burger King foot lettuce man.
Let's go take a walk. Guys, come on, let's go take our famous. Let's. Oh, get him. Oh, no, you don't. Oh.
Oh no, great. Oh, don't give me a kiss, baby. Oh my god, baby.
Run, Burger King foot lettuce man is coming.
Burger King foot lettuce. Oh my god.
Jets time, trying to turn on the jets.
Burger King foot lettuce.
Wait a minute, where'd he go?
Fuck. I
Where
pumped
did
myself.
Jeffrey Man go?
Oh my god, Burger King foot lettuce.
Sorry, guys. Yes, no, come here.
Burger King foot lettuce. That's one hello. Oh, Burger King foot lettuce. Alright, I'm going to the top because I got my shovel. So I'm going to dig.
Wait, he's leaving with the
I got my finger on the trigger.
Oh, crap. What the? Oh my bro.
What the Burger King lettuce? Burger King foot lettuce is going on outside. Get this on my desk that I
Bruh.
recently bought off of Temu.
Big foot lettuce.
Okay, what the freak? Where's my Burger King foot lettuce?
Hey. Where's the nonchalant dreadhead?
Kirby.
You lol?
What's my favorite word? Burger King foot lettuce. Wait, how am I? Wait. Why did the nipple man get me? At least
Wait,
I
where
got
did Birdie go? Oh, no, he left us.
Did he? We should
So guys,
record
if you guys
Animal
want to know
Company
how to
next.
get to like the like the bunker or whatever, it's like
Like,
kind of a bunker.
oh my god, Kirby foot lettuce guy is right there. No, I meant Gramps, but I meant Uncle Fred. I mean, dude
the,
on pills
like,
with the sharp
bunker
nippies.
is like on
Guy
the very
with the
far
sharp
side.
nippies.
It's literally just right here. It's kinda, I don't know. You can't really tell. Get down, get down. So guys, this is the what's this called again? Yeah. I don't know if I can show that on YouTube. But anyway, we're gonna try this a few times and then
Landon, Logan died.
yeah. Did he really? But we're gonna try to get to like I don't know where, but it's past this level. But if we can't, then that'll be the video. But
Caribbean foot
we'll
lettuce.
try our best to
Foot lettuce.
get it done. So
Oh my. Guys,
Hello. Oh
how am I supposed to
Grab your right controller and try and,
Wait, Logan.
Give me a second.
Where's Boshkale Bong Bong Man? No, where is he?
Oh,
Logan, we gotta go. He's going. He's over there. I can see him. He's over there.
Logan, Landon, did you see how Logan was standing?
Yeah, he was like,
Look at me, Landon. Look at me, Landon.
yes, come on.
Okay, that's. Alright, I got it. Hold on.
Hey
I
there.
want to get in there like swimmer, like Jinxie. Like what?
Spider-Man goes everywhere. Oh yeah.
Alright.
Alright guys, let's go see where Matthew is, bro. Oh look, there he is right there. Hey Timmy. Oh no. Hey bestie, bye bestie. Birdie. Corgi.
Kirby
come on.
foot lettuce. Why is my controller even farther, bro?
I can juke him, guys. So today we're gonna be doing a juke that really works, kind of. Birdie, quit, please.
Oh my god, look at the Kirby foot lettuce.
Just like that. Bashkale bong bong lettuce.
Okay, I'm gonna have to.
He's so scary.
I'm gonna have to. Hold on, let me. Hold on, there.
Jimmy, are you okay?
It's safe, it's safe, it's safe. Oh, he's stuck.
Nerd. Oh, yo. Jimmy. Birdie. Uh-oh. Oh, yeah. He's... Me. Huntsword. Man, you don't scare me.
Alright,
That doesn't scare me.
best way possible. Kirby foot lettuce.
You know that doesn't scare me.
Oh my god.
That doesn't scare me. That doesn't scare me. Here.
You got some Skittles on you, sir.
Oh my double juke. Guys, watch how it's done. Watch how it's done, guys. That guy. You know, you don't scare me. You know, you don't scare me. You don't scare me. Bro, I juked you guys both. I juked y'all both.
This mole. Land.
Look at me. I am the new monster. I am the new monster. Look, I'll juke him again.
Give me your foot lettuce. Oh my god, what the skip nut foot lettuce? Holy foot lettuce. Okay, we gotta proceed to this. You got games on your phone.
I got stuck.
Totally did not accidentally.
Monkey.
Kirby
Where's he at?
foot lettuce?
Oh, hi.
Hey, don't piss me on my heart.
You know, you don't scare me.
You know, you don't scare me.
You know, you don't scare me. Get
I
closer.
bet his name is Jeremy. Hey, come
Get
kiss me on
closer.
my hot mouth if your name is Jeremy. I juked him.
Get juked. Logan, look. Logan, look. Oh, hey, guys, I'm gonna juke him.
Oh my god, what the Kirby foot lettuce? Oh my god. Sir,
You guys got
sir,
juked.
I would like you to stop sending me Kirby foot lettuce.
Is it too easy, man?
Okay, come on, we gotta actually do this. Come on.
I just juked him.
What the Kirby?
Hey, Jeremy!
Guys, stop it! Jeremy, get over here! Got your Kirby foot lettuce!
Gay stripper.
Oh my god! Kirby foot lettuce! Oh my Okay, actually, guys, we're beating this
Jimmy.
level. Stop doing that! Okay. Landon, stop. We're trying to beat the
You know,
Content.
you don't scare me. I just freaking juked him.
Oh. Okay.
I'm over
never
here,
mind,
good
it's
boy.
Hey,
guys.
Hey, actually, stop. Stop. We're trying to beat the level. Okay, we need to
Come
beat
on.
the level. Kirby,
Guys, focus. Second floor. Go. Bro, come on. We need to go to second floor. Bro, where the...
That's gay. Why did I say that? Gay equals beer, guys. Uh-oh.
Oh yeah, in here, come on. He fell through.
Whoa, what the Kirby being just happened?
Wait, Logan's here. Where's Birdie? Oh, hey. Bro, it's my new Roomba. He just came in the mail.
Corey, get your Kirby foot
Go
lettuce
straight and then
and
take a
get
right.
hurt. Oh, thank God. Oh, my God. I can't wait for my
Okay, guys, so
Kirby
we
foot
need...
lettuce
Okay,
at the
guys,
store.
huddle up on me. Come on. Bert, stop, actually. I'm recording, bro. You can't do it. Okay, Bert, I'm recording. Come on. Actually, huddle.
Kirby.
Bro, I will get one of them knuckleheads and bing bong you. Oh, bet you want...
Oh my God. Okay, actually.
Where they at?
Landed.
Okay, huddle up. Okay, so we need to go find the two little gremlins that have no arms that can freaking knock you to freaking Mars, dude. One's name is Jeremiah, and the other one is Tyrone. Let's go get them.
Hold up, Logan, I need to talk to you for a sec.
I bet they like rape.
Logan, I need to talk to you in private for a sec. Logan, over here, Logan, over here, Logan. Logan. Is your name Logan?
What do you mean?
Come on.
I'm bush camping. They don't see me.
Okay.
I didn't
What?
understand a single word he said. I didn't hear
He
it.
said.
Man, what you say to me?
What the Kirby foot?
I'm gonna take a road.
Why do I keep saying?
Landon VR. Landon VR. Landon VR, look at me. Landon VR, look at me. I'm gonna take a road nap.
Hold on.
Oh my God.
I'm really tired. I've been kind of in the mood of it.
Oh my God.
This is all I saw was your limbs do this.
Hey,
Look at me. This is all I saw.
Landon. Wait, let me tell you a joke.
Yeah, what?
Kirby foot lettuce.
Can I tell you a joke?
No.
Why
kidding,
did the
yeah.
son not go to college?
Because no one got them knowledge. I'm kidding.
What do you call a deer with no eyes?
Because he had a million degrees.
I'm kidding.
Burger King foot lettuce.
We're following you, Landon. You are our leader.
Oh, I'm the leader? Okay.
Of this little group here. I'm just the disabled person that you need to bring because
Guys,
it'd be
I want a
morally
root
wrong
beer.
if you didn't.
Bro, where are the little gremlins?
Oh my God. With the Kirby foot lettuce.
Where's
Kirby
Tyrone?
foot lettuce. Tyrone.
There he is!
Jamal.
This one's Tyrone.
Bro, we found Logan! Oh my God, Kirby foot lettuce!
Hey there.
Oh my God, he's chasing you on. God. Oh my God, what the Kirby? Oh my God, actually, Landon, stop. What the Kirby? Foot lettuce.
He's on Logan. Look, I'm a drippy. Hey. Woohoo! Hey. Oh my God. I'll do it again. Hey. I'm like that. Look, I'm up. What you reaching for?
Kirby foot lettuce.
Hey guys. Hey.
Oh my God.
I will die right now.
You know that, right? There's a guy chasing you. Dude, I think there's a guy chasing you. Dude, I think there's a guy chasing you.
Burger King.
Is he chasing me? Is he chasing me?
No, he's chasing Birdie.
What letters?
Oh, you got the twins on you.
What letters?
You got the twins on you, both of them.
What letters? What letters?
Uh-oh. Goofy on meatball. I need to go to the gremlin.
That's the Kirby.
Run. He has both of them. He has both of them on. Logan. We're bush camping. Boom!
Birdie, stop chasing me.
Take a detour. Detour. Oh no. To the train!
Let's go to the grocery store, guys.
Oh, the
I need
grocery
to get the
store
new
with
Beast
nothing in
Applause
it?
Flavor. Guys, come to the grocery store. I need you. What should I pick out?
Oh my
There's
god, Birdie's
some
trying to
more
catch
stuff.
Go
Get on
in
top
the
of her.
store if you want some Burger King foot lettuce.
Excuse me, sir. Alright. So we got RC right there. We got Rockstar.
Rock your body.
That's the beer section. I don't need that. Oh yeah, Pepsi. Yeah.
Damn, you guys got games on your phone?
Boogity boogity.
Go to the grocery store. Hurry, go to the grocery store. Hurry, go. Run to the grocery store.
Foot lettuce.
Hey guys, look. I'm still here. In Birdie's dead.
No.
Oh crap. Holy McNuggets. I got them both. Man, I don't even care anymore.
Go, look this way, look this way, look this way, look this way. What are you doing? He's coming!
You found me now.
We don't want you to keep it.
He's not even on me, see look. Oh, you're a hey
Wait,
Logan.
Landon VR, I need to tell you something. Landon VR. Landon VR.
Yes, what?
Landon VR.
What, Grandma?
Landon VR, I need to tell you something. Landon, come on. Burger King foot lettuce.
I know why you just said that.
Burger King foot lettuce.
McDonald's got a new foot lettuce.
Lettuce and burger. Oh my god, I'm so amazed that it actually might kill me. Oh my god.
Guys, come on. We're not gonna get killed. We're bush camping. Bush camping from Tilted Towers.
Kirby, lettuce.
Oh, what's up, everybody?
Welcome to Burger King foot lettuce. What would you like today?
Can I have 4 Big Macs?
Yeah, hold up.
No, you're supposed to say, man, this is the gas station.
This is the gas station. They only sell Burger King foot lettuce.
Can I please have 4 Big Macs? Thank you.
want some of this?
Oh yeah.
Birds fucking passed out. Oh, I accidentally said curse words. That's not.
No, it's fine. Okay. No, here, read it again. Can I please have
Burger King lettuce burger.
Right here.
Oh wait,
Yeah,
can I have some of
he's
that?
a big
I want that.
monkey.
What?
He's a big
I want
monkey.
that. Can I have some?
Hey, he's a big monkey. Hey,
E. No, you'll be that one person that slams their head on the counter for no reason.
POV when a preschooler is upset. Boom!
Okay guys, so sadly this is gonna be all for the video. So if you guys liked it, then you guys can just comment. Well, either comment, say that you liked it, or you can just like the video. I don't really care, so do whatever. So, alright guys, that's all. So,
Wait, Burger King full lettuce. Burger King full lettuce.
yep, see, that's the inspirational quote right there. So,
Burger
say it again.
Foot lettuce.
Say it again.
Burger King foot lettuce.
Okay guys, so once again,
Good luck with the guard farming.
so again, if you guys want to subscribe to Logan, his username is
Good luck
Robot
with the-
Matney. Do you even have a channel yet?
How you spell that is ROBOTMATNEY.
Good job. Do you even have a channel yet?
Autistic. I'm
No,
just
bro,
joking, I
do you
know.
have a channel yet?
No.
No? Okay. Well, if you guys want to subscribe to him whenever he does get a channel, his name is Corgi VR. Bro, stop. His name is Corgi VR. I can't really see it.
No, his name
There
is
you go.
Mr. Medixy.
yeah. Corgi VR. Alright, and I'll see you guys later.
Hey, Landon, for a video, you should blur out these. Do you know how to blur?
Next video,
Yeah.
we should do Animal Company.
Blur
Either
out
Animal
Like
Company
and
or
subscribe
IDs.
it.
Blur
Hey,
out the player
comment
IDs.
game suggestions. We will try all games
If they're
you
on
suggest.
App Lab, because I only have a MetaQuest 2, so.
if they are on App Lab. We are not on them.
Okay, guys, so I'll see you guys on the next video.
Let's give the viewers a kiss. Landon, look at me. Landon, look at me.
Yeah, come on, kiss.
No, bro, come on. Alright, later, guys. I'll see you guys later.